This is Lesson 15 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity Book. In this lesson, we introduce the electronic metronome circuit. It is a circuit that is designed to put out a tick-tick sound to set the tempo for music, just like a mechanical metronome does. The schematic diagram for the electronic metronome circuit is shown in the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in previous lessons of this STEM activity book. This circuit uses a 2-transistor oscillator that we talked about in Lesson 10 to create the ticking sounds. This circuit was designed by engineers to put out an adjustable tick-tick sound as you vary the resistance of the potentiometer. On page 15, you see that the artist shows the Mr. Circuit robot directing music with a baton. This electronic metronome would help Mr. Circuit keep time for the music. Engineers designed this circuit to run on 9 volts DC. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, "Here is an electronic metronome circuit using a resistor, a potentiometer, a capacitor, an NPN transistor, a PNP transistor, and a speaker." Please put a circle around the schematic symbol of the speaker on the schematic diagram at the bottom right hand of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make an electronic metronome circuit? 2. That an electronic metronome puts out a tick-tick sound to set the musical tempo. And 3. How to spell and pronounce electronic metronome circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit robot on page 15. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.